Hi, I'm Ray Kaiser from Delta Airlines. I'm currently the chair of the CACRC.
My name is Alan Rauschendorfer. I work for the Federal Aviation Administration.
Hi, I'm François Museux. I'm the chairman of the Repair Technique.
Hey, I'm Rebecca from Air France. I'm a composite engineer.
My name is Jay Patel. I am a member of the CACRC.
So the CACRC is an organization of airlines, OEMs, MROs, all brought together to try and reduce the cost and improve the safety of composite repairs in the airline industry.
Well, it's a collection of industry experts that we feel can contribute to the standardization that I had.
We develop new repair techniques, standardize the repair materials, training.
And we're getting together to put standards together so the industry is more standard.
The CACRC is important because it's a great organization for bringing different airlines together, helping them learn about others' experiences, helping them understand the difficulties that can be involved in composite repair so we can all do composite repair more effectively, more efficiently, more safely.
Safety is so important in CACRC because the manufacturers, MROs, airlines and authorities share all the database experiences and feedback, and this will hugely impact on the safety of the passengers.
The committee is really great because we have people from all over the world joining the CACRC, working together in the different task groups.
You really need to join the CACRC because it provides a very good opportunity for you to meet different people in the industries because it's combined with operators, regulatories, OEMs, like everyone in the industry.
So we would love to have more people join the CACRC.
Please participate in the CACRC. The more airlines we have, the better the organization will be.
So that we can work together and add our effort together to make the whole committee better.
S'il vous plaît, rejoignez-nous pour le prochain CACRC, on a besoin de vous.
Kommen Sie und nehmen Sie teil am CACRC.
हमारे साथ शामिल हो.
あなたも CACRC に参加しましょう。
So please come join.
Seja muito bem-vindo, junte-se a nós no CACRC.
Lütfen gelin katılın aramıza.
Doe mee met de CACRC.
انضم إلينا. We need you.